Hi children, welcome to the 7th session of the lesson Add and Subtract up to 99. I am Sucheta. In our previous session, we learned to subtract single digit numbers from 2-digit numbers. In today's session, we will practice some more subtraction and we will learn to subtract 2-digit numbers from 2-digit numbers. Hope you all are excited. Let's get started. Minu and her friends have bought 45 bananas for the elephants. The elephant caretaker wants only 27 bananas. How many bananas will be left with them? The shopkeeper had given them the bananas in bunches of 10s and as single bananas. They had 45 in total, so 4 bunches of 10 bananas and 5 single bananas. Since the caretaker wants only 27 bananas, they will have to give 2 bunches of 10 bananas and 7 single bananas. Now, can they give 7 single bananas from the 5 single ones? No, because 5 is less than 7 and we cannot take away 7 from 5. So let us open a bunch of 10 bananas as shown. So now we have 3 bunches of 10 bananas and 15 single bananas. To take away 27 bananas, let us strike off 2 bunches of 10 bananas and 7 single bananas. Now there is 1 bunch of 10 bananas and 8 single bananas. So Minu and her friends are left with 18 bananas. Shall we try the same by borrowing? 45 minus 27. Since we cannot subtract 7 from 5, we borrow 1 tens from the 4 tens. Therefore 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. So we write 8 in the ones place of the answer. Now look at the tens place. Since we removed 1 tens from 4 tens, we are left with 3 tens. 3 minus 2 is 1. We write 1 in the tens place of the answer. Maya sells logs. She has 80 logs with her. She has tied her logs into bundles of 10 as shown. Raghav wants to buy 46 logs from Maya for his camp. Maya has to give 4 bundles of 10 logs and 6 single logs. Now, Maya does not have any single logs, right? So she opens one bundle as shown. Now she has 10 single logs. Strike off 4 bundles and 6 single logs to show how much remains with Maya. So children, how many logs remain? Yes, Maya has 3 bundles and 4 single logs, so she is left with 34 logs. See the calculation in the box for subtraction with borrowing. To subtract 0 from 6, we will first borrow 1 tens from 8 tens. So 10 minus 6 is 4. From the remaining 7 tens, we take away 4. So we have 3 tens. So the answer is 34. We borrow ones by regrouping a 10 into ones. Let's move on to activity 3.16. If you have your studio with you, open page number 62 and write down today's date. And if not, you can use your notebook and write down today's date and activity number 3.16 to do this activity. Read the instructions. Rajesh bought a book for 58 rupees. He paid 75 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much balance will the shopkeeper give Rajesh? So children, what should we do now? We have to subtract 58 from 75 to find the balance amount. Take 10 minutes to complete this activity. Press pause to work on the activity and press play once done. Okay children, have we all completed the activity? Shall we check our answers? 75 minus 58. When we subtract the ones place, we have to borrow 1 tens from the 7 tens. So we get 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. So we write 7 in the ones place. In the tens place, we are left with 6 tens. So 6 tens minus 5 tens is 1. So we write 1 in the tens place. The balance amount is 17. Have we all got it right? Well done. Try again if you did not get the right answer. Now that we have learned to subtract 2-digit numbers, let's move on to activity 3E. If you have your companion with you, open page number 30 and write down today's date. And if not, you can use your notebook and write down today's date and activity number 3E to do this activity. Read the instructions and solve the following. 21 children are going home in the school bus. At the first stop, 4 children get off. How many children are still in the bus? The second question is, out of 26 marbles, Ramu gave 18 marbles to his friend. How many marbles are left with him? Children, you can regroup and also show your work by borrowing and complete these subtraction problems. You may complete this activity as home fun and you can involve your family to help you with this activity too. Let's move on to activity 3F. If you have your companion with you, open page number 31 and write down today's date. And if not, you can use your notebook and write down today's date and activity number 3F to do this activity. Let's read the instructions. Priya and Sheila went shopping. Find out how much money both have after shopping. Sheila had 32 rupees and she spent 23 rupees. Subtract to find how much money Sheila is left with. Priya had 61 rupees and she spent 46 rupees. Subtract to find out how much money Priya is left with. You may complete this activity as home fun. You can involve your family to help you with this activity too. Let's meet tomorrow with another interesting concept.